Finally, after many months of better football, many weeks of better football, many days of better football, Europa League final don't reach. This na 60 seconds with family correct pidgin, and as usual, now we they always do. And we look Europa League final, Arsenal versus Chelsea. For Arsenal, they never have win Europa League before, but for Chelsea, they never took themselves way themselves and win them. And many people they talk say that sense where Chelsea take win Europa League before, then go carry and come. For Arsenal, their manager Unai Emery, he gets sense where to win Europa League. He don't do well with his former club Sevilla when he there for Spain, and many people they expect say that sense he go carry and enter inside this Arsenal side as then they play Europa League final. Me, I want to know, as fan of the club, as fan of Arsenal, as fan of Chelsea, how you think say this one will be? We know say Eric Mkhitaryan he no travel because of some kind of political waka between your own country and the country where they go play the final. For people like Rudiger themselves, we know say they get injury. Many people don't talk say Eden Hazard na last match for Chelsea be this, and then they expect say he go do like Ronaldo and Messi join together, he go help in Chelsea side make they win Europa League. How you they think say this match go shele?